Namaste. I am Rajan Vora. I am in the field of insurance industries more than 20 years. I am practicing as an accounts and tax consultant more than 25 years. From past 6 years, I am also in the field of mutual fund industries. As you are aware that hospitalization is too expensive and it will affect our future financial planning and goal. Today I will explain you about employer-employee group mediclaim insurance policy. IRDA in its letter dated 16th April 2020 mentioned that providing mandatory medical insurance coverage to workers as a part of the National Directive of MHA Government of India. So today I will explain about the employer-employee scheme of the HDFC Ergo Insurance Company. The plan structure. There are two types of plan: individual health insurance, family floater health insurance. Who all are covered? All employees working on the permanent basis, members of the board and the members of the executive management, spouse, dependent children, aged from day 1 to 25 years. The age eligibility criteria. For the employees, minimum age of entry is 18 years, maximum age of 60 years and cover ceasing age is 70 years. For the spouse, minimum 18 years, maximum 60 years and cover ceasing age is 70 years. A dependent child from day 1 to 25 years and cover ceasing age is 26 years. The sum assured. The sum assured starting from 25,000 to 10 lakhs. And it is important that from 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs only for the management only. The benefit of the group mediclaim policy. There is inpatient treatment, pre and post hospitalization expenses, daycare procedures, organ donor expenses, emergency ambulance cover, maternity benefit is the optional, pre-existing disease covered waiver benefit is also an optional. What is the inpatient treatment? Inpatient treatment means the medical expenses incurred for the room rent, boarding expenses, nursing, intensive care unit expenses, medical practitioners, anesthesia, blood, oxygens, operation theatre charges, surgical compliances, medicines, drugs, diagnosis expenses, etc. There is no any sublimit, no co-payment. There is a pre and post hospitalization expenses also covered. Pre-hospitalization expenses means 30 days immediately before the insured person was hospitalized, and post-hospitalization expenses means 60 days immediately after the insured person was discharged from the hospital. The daycare procedures. These also cover the daycare procedures also. Daycare procedure means undertaken under the central or local anesthesia in the hospital or daycare center in less than 24 hours because of the technological advancement. There is an organ donor. This is the best part in the policy. Organ donor. The medical expenses for an organ donor's treatment for the harvesting of the organ donated, provided that the organ donor is any person whose organ has been made available in accordance and compliance with the Transplantation of the Human Organ Act 1994. The organ donated is for the use of the insured person only. The ambulance cover. The maximum liability shall be restricted up to 2,000 per hospitalizations. It will accept in an inpatient hospitalization claim. There is a maternity benefits. Is an optional. The maternity benefit delivery of only the first 2 living children. The primary insured already has 2 or more living children, then this benefit will not apply. Waiting period of 9 months applicable for all claim under this benefit. The pre-existing disease condition waiver. The graded pre-existing disease coverage from day 1 is under. For the first year, 10% of the sum assured, maximum to rupees 15,000. Second year, 25% of the sum assured, maximum rupees 25,000. Third year, 50% of the sum assured, maximum rupees 50,000. Fourth year, 75% of the sum assured, maximum rupees 75,000. Fifth year, 100% onwards. Waiting periods, exclusions and the waiver is 30 days. Not acceptable groups. In this, such groups are not acceptable in this category, like the group formed only for the purpose of the insurance, companies engaged in the mining, companies manufacturing explosive weapons, hazardous materials, fertilizers, etc. Law enforcement agency like the police, paramilitary, military, groups where the members are professionally involved in the sports activity, political party, multi-level marketing companies like Tupperware, Amway, private club like tennis club, golf club, yacht club, culture club, etc., credit card schemes, nuclear power plants. The claim process, there are two types of claim process: planned claim, emergency claim, cashless claim, reimbursement claim. Thank you for listening my video. For more detail, you may contact me on my number 981 980 7824.